Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So last day we discussed landforms of the world, right? So what are the different landforms of the world? Mountains, plateaus, plains and desert, right? There are four landforms of the world and we discussed mountains, right? Mountains and its types of mountains. There are three types of mountains: fault mountains, volcanic mountains and block mountains. Then the next form of landform is what? Plateaus. You know what is plateaus? See, this is the picture of plateaus. A large area of land that is higher than the surroundings. See, here we can see that one area of land is just higher than the surrounding area, right? Here, this one. Okay, this is known as plateaus. Okay, a large area of land that is just higher than the surrounding. That area is known as plateaus. And in India, we can see that the southernmost part of India, we can see one plateau, that is Deccan Plateau. The name of that plateau is Deccan Plateau. I will show that picture. See, this is the map of India, and we can see that the southern part here. See this brown color. See, this is the region where Deccan Plateau exists. Here we can see Deccan Plateau. One of the plateau we can see here. Huh? In this region of India. Okay. So what is plateau? A large area of land that is higher than the surrounding. Okay, and one example of plateau is Deccan Plateau in South India. Then another is the Tibetan Plateau in the Himalayas of in the Himalayas. Tibetan Plateau. See here. Here we can see Himalaya, and here it is Tibetan Plateau is here. Eh? And this is the highest plateau in the world. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world and it is known as the roof of the world. Why Tibetan Plateau is called as roof of the world? Because Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Okay. And it is located here, north portion here. Okay. So, what is the example of plateaus? Deccan Plateau in South India and Tibetan Plateau in the Himalayas. That is the highest plateau. Then one more plateau is the Columbia and Colorado plateaus in the USA. Okay, Columbia and Colorado plateaus in USA. So, a large area of land that is just higher than the surrounding. That area of land is known as plateau. This is another landform. Okay. Understand what is plateau? So one of the landform is mountain, then another landform is plateau. Okay. Then the next landform is what? Plains. You know what is plain? See, this is plain. The picture of plains is this one. Okay. So what is plain? Plain is a flat land. Okay. With its gentle slopes, small slopes. Basically, it is a flat land with full of grasses like that. Okay, that is plain. So plains are flat lands with gentle slopes, and we can see that in plains, it is a plain is the most thickly populated area. People live in the plains because here the soils are very fertile. So crops grow very easily here. That is why it is very thickly populated area. Okay. Then we can see in India, where is this place? See this orange portion. Here we can see plain, that is flat land with a high fertile land. Very high fertile land. In these days we can see plains, very high fertile flat lands with gentle slopes. Okay, that is the this area is known as the northern plains of India. Okay, northern plains of India, this portion. Okay, So uh, northern plains of India is one of the plain. Then next is prairies of the USA is another plain. Prairies of the USA. In what is known as prairie? Prairie is a grassland. Very fertile lands. In prairies, there is very fertile soil. The crops grown very fastly there because the soil are very fertile. Okay, so one of the example of plains is northern plains of India. The next is prairies of USA. So what is plains? Yes, plains are flat lands with gentle slope. It is most thickly populated areas in the world. Why? Because the soil in this area is very fertile. Okay, that is known as plains. So today we discuss two types of landforms. One is plateaus. Plateau is a large area of land that is higher than the surroundings. An example is Deccan Plateau in South India, Tibetan Plateau in the Himalayas. And Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Okay, it is known as roof of the world. Okay, then next type of landform is plain. Plains are flat lands with gentle slopes. It is very fertile land. Okay, so these are the two landforms. So total we discuss three types of landforms. One is mountains, then plateaus and plains. Then one more is left, that is desert, that we can discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.